Hello. So we are back, same Thursday, yeah. We just finished that tablet, and now we have a Dell laptop. Okay. This is a nice Dell i5 Dell Latitude E7440. The problem with this one is that let me plug the charger. We can try even with the charger. This is kind of, it's that kind of job. So we sold, yeah, the laptop yesterday. Today the customer come back not charging. Obviously, we tested yesterday, was charging. Brand new Windows. So you have the charging light here, but nothing here. Press the power button, nothing happened. It's so awkward, you sold something, which you know is good, you tested, you installed the Windows, and the second day the customer come back with a dead laptop. So it's no charging, you'll have the charging light here. Here is the charging sign, and pressing the power, nothing happened. Charger is good, you can see on the Dell you have that ring. This is my charger, it's not even the customer charger. Because like how I told you every time, always check the laptop with a different charger. So this is the battery. We should check without the battery. Let's check without the battery. So the charger is plugged in. Yes. No, it's not coming on. Nothing. You have even here you have LEDs. Dead. Okay, seems this was open before. So what we did here, we repaired this laptop before. What the? What's... Okay. It is open. This connector is not plugged in from any reason. From some reason. I have no idea. So this was opened by not by us. Not by us. Let's try and reset the BIOS. Let's plug this, let's plug this. Let's see if it's coming on. Nah, it's still dead. Still dead. Okay, let's check some things. Multimeter volts. So the voltage on the board. What? This must be the middle pin. No, 19. So we have 19 on the board. We need a 3.3 to check if we have. Nothing. Our main power rail is 0.8. So our main power rail is 0.8. That's a bit crazy. But that's the charging port. And I suppose, but you know, it can be like the MacBook style, and actually your main power rail comes from a switching power supply. So this is a power supply. You see the coil, you have the chip, and the ceramic capacitors, and here you must have like 19 or I don't know. Well, it's nothing, it's like 0.8. You can see on the multimeter. So our main power supply is not present. So we can see on the charge board we have 2 pins, here is ground, we have 2 pins, here is plus 19.8, and this is the middle pin. But I don't care about the middle pin right now. Right now I care about why I don't have 19 on the main power rail. This is a pain to open this laptop. It's a pain. But I suppose we have to do it. So there's no point wasting time. We have like 1 hour. I will leave probably like 1 hour. A short day for me today. And the weekend is coming. Outside is like 1 degree. Very cold this time of the year. So we have to open all these screws. I'm just curious, what can be? We sold the laptop yesterday working. That's the hard drive. Kind of weird hard drive. A weird smell also. A few more screws here. Oh, wait. Okay, no, this is not the hard drive, this is the wireless card. Hey, wait, if this is wireless, what is this? So this is wireless, and this is probably the GSM one. You know, you can put a SIM card on this laptop. Yeah, it's gone. How do I take this out? Like that. Okay. Let's see. Let's take out the frame. Yeah, we have screws behind this frame. The frame is out. Okay, what about now? I think we have to open the cables, yeah? Yeah. Let's take out the cables. The cables are out. Yeah. So I have this and this. Let's check one more time. No, it's still dead. Let's take out these cables. So how is supposed this to be open? Not like that. Not like this. Yeah, this. Plastic clips. Wow. That's sick. And bad at the same time. Let's check here. You remember we replaced this chip, it's a CD3301B. You remember? So what he did, probably he did nothing. It's just a stupid coincidence and the tracks are gone. I think I have the chip. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's get the chip out here. The problem is, you see, this, why I said it's bad, because these here are welded, you know, with like a welding machine. So the trucks are gone. We'll have to rebuild the trucks if we can. Let me see if I have the chip first, because if we don't have the chip, we are wasting time. Yeah, I ordered last time, I ordered 2 chips, so one I use it and one I still have it. Yeah? So let's replace the chip. If we can. If we can. That's the thing. Hopefully my Super IO is good, the next one, SMC. Because this chip also providing the 3.3 volts. Yeah? It's a weak thing on Dell laptops. It's not the first time when I found that chip blow up. Let's go for 500 degrees. I remove the chip. I'll go with hard temperature because I don't want any surprise here. Oh, the smell, sick. Okay, the chip it's out. The chip position. It's on this. Yeah, it's here. Oh, I have okay. So what we can do there? Because actually it's looking bad. Now I will broke more tracks. Trying to clean this. It's nothing what I can do here. These are welded, yeah. So I have to break these things anyway. So we have this truck. We have this truck. Yeah. And we have this truck. You can't see? Oh, sorry. Yeah, here I was playing here. So we have this, this, and this. We have 3 trucks here, which are we can't use them, so we have to break them. You can't use this, like how I told you. But that's gone. This is gone. And this is gone. Yeah? So we remove all 3 bubbles. And what do we have here more? Here you have this truck, which make a hole on the board. We have this truck, but this truck is good. Next to it. Now I want to break this. You know how it is. It's okay, we can try and rebuild these things. But if I work 1 hour and actually the Super Eye is dead, I'm, you know, I lost my time. What you can do? What you can do? Yeah, hold on. So what do we have here? So somehow probably the board burned here. So this track is fine. Leave this track there, yeah? This is fine. There's nothing wrong with this track. Here you have this band board. But what kind of, he didn't say nothing about the smoke or things. Because probably this laptop smoke a lot. And here we have this track. We have this one and this one. Yeah. Here you have only this one. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. So what we can do here to fix this? We have the new chip. We're just trying to find a... That's the new chip. To find an easy way to fix this. The problem is if we'll put the wires, when I'll solder the chip, the wire will blow up. Because probably you have to use some UV gel to keep the wires on place, which I don't have it. But anyway, let's do it, Let's do it. Well, what do you think? This is a very nasty chip. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. There's no point wasting time. Nothing will change. So I need flux. Let's solder the thingies, yeah. Good. That's perfect. But I don't want... yes, perfect. We'll use a trick on the end, yeah? I'll show you on some point. Because these are not on the board, on the chip level. Come on. I have no cutter here, that's the problem. But I have to get one cutter. Give me 1 second. Okay. So that's good. The next one now. Perfect. Let's cut this down. Good. And we need one more. Perfect. Let's cut this down. Perfect. Let's do this one. Perfect. Let's cut that down. Good. Now I want my want to clean there. Good. Yeah, that's perfect. I don't even want to do anything more. Good. Good. What I will do more, yeah, I will get the chip. I'll use my flux. Now let's solder the things, yeah, the pins. Great, that's all what I need. Now I want the chip here. Yeah. I want my flux everywhere. The rosin flux. And I want the chip on place here. I will use 380 degrees, less air. I just want to solder the chip a bit. And after that, go with less air. Yeah, I do have a problem here. But it's not soldered yet, this wire, which is fine then. Okay, we do have a problem here. That's good. Sorry, I don't speak. I'm really concentrated on this one. Because if something goes wrong, we have a big problem. 1 second. Okay, one thing we have to check, yeah? If we have any short between the pins, yeah? Here is no short, here is no short. Here is no short. Okay, so we are fine. Now you have to understand one thing: the flux, my flux, rosin, when it's getting cold, yeah, will be exactly like this. And this is a great isolator. Yeah. So I think we are ready to test this. Okay. So let's plug the charger. Wow. The chucks are gone.